Greetings, folks. It is I, the No Pro, back again with yet another video. This time it's going to be uh, using Manus AI, the fresh, new, hot AI chatbot agent, whatever you want to call this thing. This is a new flavor of the week so far. Nothing dropped today, so that I'm aware of. So this is still the hot one from last week. Now, if you've been following me, you know I made a video saying that I may have broken Manus because I gave it a super duper prompt. Stop because there wasn't enough credit. Well, the time has elapsed. They only give you one credit every 24 hours, so now I have one credit. Now, what I'm going to do is I use Copilot. Let me get it off my other screen and put it here to create a prompt to build a website again. And it gave another super duper because I wanted it to be detailed. But when I watched Mr. Money build the website, he just put in a simple prompt. So what I'm going to do is the same thing. Well, let's copy the quotes too. Okay, you can get that out of there. And I want this back on my other screen. So, paste. And we're gonna call it build a website okay, and let's see, use my referral URL, which I'll get from here. And I'm using the Tangled browser as well. And we'll get with my, here we go. Copy my referral URL. And let's put, I didn't tell you to do that. Go here. Paste. In the site for the CTA, and every time you mention Tangled. Now, before I do that, I'm gonna give it another prompt. Add to it. You are a master. Let's get rid of that. I'm typing the word again. Why did you go down there? Website builder and award winning. See, 2 G's. Writer. Build a website about how to use Tangled Social. And I think I'm gonna, not that, duh, research, search, Tangled Social. Did I spell it wrong? Yes, I did. Fingers don't want to work right. There we go. Now, I think this should work. It's not too much for it. It's not the super duper prompt I had. So let's see. Research Tangled Social. You are a master website builder and an award-winning writer. Winning writer. See, that didn't make sense. That's why I read it. Okay, now let's do that. Build a website about how to use Tangled Social, the ultimate guide. Use my referral link, blah, 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 in the site for the CTA, and every time you mention Tangled Social. Okay, now, I want to make sure I can get this thing to work this time. Also, recommend the best hosting for the website. Let's see what we got. And here we go. High service load task cannot be created. Please. You know what? One thing that's not fair. Oh wow. This is even worse than when ChatGTP first started. First of all, I didn't click new task. I thought I did. Let's see if we can give it a chance. Alrighty, here we go. And yes, it used the one credit I have, so it's going to go and do it. Now, I'm sure many of you may have already seen other videos on Manus, but this thing is incredible because it can do something others can't. Let's get this going on over here on the side so you can see what's happening as the fan on my computer kicks in. And while it's building, I'm going to do the same thing I did yesterday. I didn't put that video up when I broke Manus because I was searching for the person I saw who showed this on YouTube, and I did it on the screen while I was recording, and I don't want YouTube to shut my channel down because of the copyrighted material that appeared on the screen. I didn't play anything, but you know how fickle YouTube can be. So I'm going to let this thing do its thing. I didn't mean to say it like that. And I'm going to mute my mic. I'm not going to turn the music up like I did last night because I forgot to turn it down when I made another video saying that I may have broken Tangled. I'm not Tangled, Manus. So enjoy, and I'll be in periodically. Oh, I have to say, this is my article that I wrote for Medium about Tangled Social. Yes! I am an authority on it. Okay, I'm going to let you go. One more thing, as usual, I forgot to do this. There we go. This is LinkedIn. I didn't put one on LinkedIn. Okay, I'm going to shut up and let you guys enjoy. As you see, if Manus encounters an error while it's working through its process, it will fix the errors itself, which is what I love about this thing. I was going to use 10Web to build a website, but if I can get this to work properly, I'm not a coder or anything. Um, that's why I don't want to use Open Manus. I don't like the way it looks. It's not as pretty as this. But yeah, I was going to use Tim Webb, but screw them. Who needs to give them all that money when this will do it for you? And it's basically free. I just have to pay for hosting. But as I said, I'm going to let you all watch it, and I don't want to use Bluehost. I knew it would do that. But let you all watch and enjoy. Okay, it's coming up on almost 20 minutes, and it's about to deploy the website. What I should have done in the prompt was ask it if it could host it locally, because I saw Mr. Money. I don't know how he got it to host locally, but the site he built was hosted locally. He didn't say. When I did the one yesterday, it was a temporary site. I forgot to do it, but there's not any additional credits for the command to actually go through and get the site hosted locally, because he had the site he built hosted on their servers, if I'm not mistaken. And I know Mr. Money doesn't watch anyone else's stuff. I'm not sure if he does, but if you do, let me know. I'm going to step aside and let it continue. Enjoy the music. I was checking to see if I could modify the prompt, but I don't think so. It won't let you. No. Okay. Again, enjoy the music. It looks like it's almost complete and it's going to test the site. I wish I had specified for it to host it locally within itself to make it live once it was complete, because then it would actually be functional and real. I have to find out how. Um, no, it wasn't Mr. Money. It was Julian Golden who did it. um, no, Mr. Money did make a site, and so did Julian. But I have to find out how to get this thing to host locally. And I say Edie's almost done. I say that's not bad for considering it's doing the whole thing. You don't have to go in and create the content and everything else. It's doing it for you. Now, let's see. Who is it? Hostinger has an AI website builder, but it's not completely AI. If you're looking for an AI website builder, it costs more money, but 10Web is the way to go because it has more AI functionality. But if this works out, who needs either one of them? Oh, there it is. It's testing. Looks good. I forgot to tell it to open all links and menu links in a new tab. Dang it. But let's see. Updating browser. Clicking element. I like this thing a lot. And this is just the beginning, folks. All of these things are going to get better and better. Now, you have to keep your mind broad as well. Don't look at it as getting rid of web designers and website builders. This can enhance their job and help them do things faster and get more things done. What I like about this is if there's an error, it will go and find it and fix it. I can build a website, but I'm not a coder. But you give me WordPress, and you'll almost think I know everything, but I'm just used to using WordPress. I don't like Wix or Squarespace because you can't do a lot of stuff with them like you can with WordPress. Viewing. So whoever is the next one to drop another one of these should make sure it has better functionality than this. There is another bot type deal called Abacus AI. I saw it on Mr. Money's channel earlier today. I did sign up for it. I tried to get it to build a website, and what it did was it gave me the HTML code to build it. But you have to go to like GitHub or Nellify or something to install the code and host it. I'm not sure how to do that. If anybody knows, please leave in the comments how to do so, and I can get that thing put together. But in the meantime, this video is about Manus. If you want to see any information on Abacus AI, please leave that in the comments as well. And speaking of comments, please comment, kiss the heart button, and share. Also, would be appreciated if you make suggestions on AI tools you'd like to see, crypto tools you'd like to see. Disconnected from server. It's probably going to reconnect. Anything that you'd like to see, that's in the AI crypto field. I know I stuck health on there as well. I was working on that when I was trying to get the other website built last night. But like I said, I put in a super duper prompt and broke Manus. So it looks like it's fixed for me at least until we get to the end. Let's see what's going to happen. But I wish I had told it to host the thing locally. I think that's what you have to do. I'm not sure. If anybody out there knows, please, you can always leave it in the comments. Okay, so now it looks like it's ready to go. I think it disconnected itself on purpose. Okay, that looks like the temporary URL. I'm not going to bother it until it's done. There we go. I'm coming up on 45 minutes of recording time. But I say still not bad. Well, I'll manage to deploy to the public network. I will accept. It didn't ask me that yesterday. Accept it. And I don't know what it's doing. Like I said, it didn't do this yesterday. If anybody is aware, when I was looking for Mr. Money, because I couldn't remember the name, I was using YouTube on my screen, but I didn't play anything. But I wonder if YouTube would say I had copyright material, because you know how the home screen comes up, and then I went through my history to search. I would love to put that video on. It's very long because it took it a very long time to get that super huge prompt that I put in completed, as you saw. Now, share a replay of your task. Manus has completed the work. You can now choose to share your task, including a step-by-step replay. Now, let's complete the task and it's ready for requests for revisions. Let's take a look. Okay, so this, I think this is going to work. Yes! See, it didn't ask me that yesterday. Now, ta-da! And basically 45 minutes of recording time with my babbling at the beginning. Let's say it took it about 40 minutes to build this website. Okay? Now, the pictures aren't there, but we can get it to fix that. And let's see, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 menu items. Okay, I'm liking the look at it of it. Got that bluish purple going, but I wish it had gone more with it. Well, they got the blue over here. The purple there. So we got to get the pictures fixed. Let's see what we have. And it did it again. I wanted it to open all this in different tabs, so that's cool. And that's because I'm logged in. Let me do it in an incognito window. Yes, that is my referral link. That's all I wanted to know. So it did what I requested. They have the instructions. You can create your account. But again, I wanted to open all of the links in another tab. I forgot to tell it to do that. Okay, that's neat. And it even gives you nice instructions. And let's see, blah, blah, blah. Beautiful, beautiful. Quick links, beautiful, beautiful. I love it. Let's go to earning. I again wish it would open another tab. Monetize your social media presence. Companies, blah blah blah. Nice, Milix. Nice. Now the one thing I wish it had done was made these a size so it would be four, but they would fit here instead of how it did it. That's tacky. I don't know how to make it do this and fix it. I'm not a coder. Okay, but interesting, interesting, very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. What's this? Oh, this is the same as this, I'm sure. Yes, but again, there are links within the site to go to the site, which is what Google wants. Building network. Nice, very nice. Okay, it's going to do this on purpose. I can live with it. I didn't have to do all this work. Look at all of this work that would have to be done. You got to put in each and every link. Oh man, this is beautiful. I'm in love with Manus. Oh man. Okay, I need to take it out on a date. Excuse me. Referral program. Yes, this is why I made this website, so I can get more referrals and get paid on everyone's activity. This is why Tangled is superior to the usual social media suspects. They gather all of your information and data from all your usage, and they get paid for it by selling it to every company who will buy whatever it is they collect. And you get nothing unless you monetize. And if you pay for ads for something you're promoting and you monetize, eventually they will shut you down, but they've taken your money. And they don't give you a reason why they do it. Tangled won't do that. Plus you get paid for everything you post. Okay, so I am satisfied with this. I want to see if it's going to work. Let's get a Edge browser. This is something else. This is a part of an extension called Slice, and Slice lets you get paid when you use their extension. Of course, it doesn't want to work because I'm doing a video. But yeah, Slice pays you as long as you do this, and you have these ads going. Okay, they'll display ads on the site. I haven't customized this thing because I don't like the stuff they have. This should be I don't know why they put this here, and they won't let you drag and drop. But anyway, let me get on with it. What I was doing was I'm going to stick it in Edge because I believe this bad boy is live. Yes, yes, yes! I'm so happy. And so, folks, there you have it. I'm going to try it on another browser. I'm going to get my Chrome browser. Don't pay attention to all the tabs I have open. I will kill a computer because I do too much with it at one time. Okay, but I'm not as bad as I used to be. Okay, it's working on here. I think I got a live one. Now, the one other thing I would like to do is I'm going to stick this on Scale Up. Scale Up is a site that you can advertise your wares, no matter what it is. And this is fairly new. It's been out, a little over a month or two, but I was kind of late to the party. Now, what I want to do is I want to create a post. It's going to be very simple. I'm not going to get detailed. Let's see. Learn. Oh, no. Let's do it like this. Tangled Social. The music you hear is the tab. I forgot to mute it. When I refreshed it, it got unmuted. Let's see. Tangled Social. Social media that pays. Don't do it that way. Make this a title. Tangled Social pays you to post, share, and more. Let's see. I don't even know what. Okay, I'll let Copilot fix this for me. View now. Checkout is one word. Checkout. My website. No, let's do it that way. That's a title. In Goober. Y'all, I don't edit. You know that. Website. Site. What's wrong with you? About how to use. That should be capitalized. You spelled it wrong, Goober. It's Tangled. It's actually how you pronounce it. But anyway, Tangled Social. And let's put our link. Paste it. Do I want an image? I'm going to have Copilot make me something. Okay. Since I have the prompt there, I'll have it create an image for it. Create an image. For the prompt. Let's see if it's going to come up with. I want to tell it no text. Because it doesn't spell the words right. I don't need it to think deeper. When you use think deeper, you get the full functionality of ChatGPT 4.0 or whatever the latest one is. The $200 a month one. But you get it here on Copilot for free. But I don't need it to think deeper. So it's creating an image. This is what I love about Copilot. It will create an image. You can see that's easy pie for Manus. If it can create a website. Oh, come on. No. More tech. Tech is better with a K. And show the Milix coin. I don't even know if there's a coin for. I've never seen one. I just know what the logo looks like. You didn't do it. Okay. Image. About the prompt. Tech. You did it again, Goober. Tech. And show Milix. Crypto. No text. Let's see what we got. There we go. Watch it put Bitcoin. When you say, see, it did it again. No problem. I can use that. I always like to have an image here. So we'll choose a file. It'll be uploaded here on ScaleUp. I'll have a link in the description for ScaleUp as well as Abacus AI since I mentioned them. And of course there will be a link for Tangled Social like there always is in all of my descriptions. I gotta get some referrals, y'all. This is why we all do these things. So, oh, I meant to put the link in. as well. You don't have to when you put a link here for your photo, but I do it anyway. I want to see if it's going to work. That's why I'm doing it. Okay, now the post is live. They have to review it. It takes just a few minutes. They send you an email when it is. But in the meantime, well, I do want you guys to see it on here so we know that it really, really does work and it's hosted by them. And I'm using Scale Up. This is their countdown timer. Once the ad is shown, you see how they have their link here, but you can click on the picture as well, and that'll take you to the same thing. You just click on here. With Scale Up, you get credits. So many clicks, I've never counted how many. It's somewhere between 10 and 25, and they give you coins. Okay, and that's how you get your posts shown. Once you have so many coins, that's why it says 0 active posts, because I don't have any coins. Okay, that's showing the number of impressions, number of interactions. This shows where you are in the ranking. Every week they give away money here on Scale Up as well. I got $3 last week because I was in the top. Was I in the top one? Somewhere around here. But shoot, the people up here in the top 10 get $200 if I'm not mistaken. It might even be more. And we'll do some searching. I want to see if it's live. It's still in review. We'll go here. This will let me know that it's truly working, and I hope it continues to work. I can always take this post down. And let's see. I ain't got no. I have some referrals here. Oh, good. Okay. But let's get back up. In review, still in review. Shouldn't take that long. Oop, I didn't mean that. Let's go back to Discover. But folks, there you do have it. You did see Manus in work building an actual live website that is, well, it's live now. And I have set up the website here to start getting traffic to it. Not just relying on SEO, but I want it seen somewhere. So I figured I'd do it here. And you guys all remember, if you've been following me, I am with the Nebumine. Okay, and you see I'm up to 60 recruits, but no one's upgraded yet to increase their miner speed. And I'm pretty sure these are going to be people who are going to complain that they can't get the money out, because they do give you miner speed for free for 21 days. But you cannot withdraw that money, because you have not paid them. No one's giving you money for free. That's never going to happen. And you have to understand that. You know, crypto mining is a risky business, especially cloud mining, because a lot of these things are scammy. One reason why I slowed down on this, I don't know if anyone's been following, but a couple of weeks ago their website went down on a Sunday. But I happened to withdraw my funds before that happened. This is, where is it? Does it show? Yeah. I withdraw this amount. 777. I should get something for that. And I did it in Ethereum. Okay. And so that was successful. I'll make another video showing another withdrawal. This is even more. And we'll stick that in one of these sites as well. Okay, but once you upgrade your hash speed, if you watched, I wanted it to be basically doubled, and it was, but since I had the additional terahash, it was tripled. But once the 21-day trial period was over, it went back down to the over 2 terahashes. But again, you're not going to get the money for free. No one's going to give you anything for free. You have to give them some in order to get some back. So when I upgraded, I gave them $50 to get double the speed. It all depends on what Bitcoin is right now. Determines what the price is to upgrade. And where am I? Let's see. Let's go here. Now, I always keep mine in dollars so I know exactly what I'm getting, but you can change this to um, whatever coin that they're offering to see what the amount is. That's how much it is in Bitcoin. And you can do Ethereum. You can do regular money, fiat currencies, US dollar, euro, the pound, yen, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. And let's see. Now, if I wanted to upgrade my hash speed, how much is it in US dollars? Wow. See, when I did this last month, it was almost 25 bucks. But since Bitcoin has come down, the price to upgrade has come down, which is a good thing. So you can get more speed without doing it. Another thing you can do is you can purchase a miner rather than just upgrade. They have miners here. And of course, the more hash power you have, the more they cost. All right, but yeah, you get the idea. The lowest price one, I'm waiting on it to come around. This is getting to the highest price one. Let's see, 319. Can I open it in a new tab? No, you have to do it like this. This will show you the miner speed and how much it costs. Because the speed is so high, it's $6,000 you see, okay? And this is the top of the line, 860. Why did that one say 6,000? Did I see it wrong? Yeah, that was right. And this is 17,000. This is the lowest price one. And right now, 126, but you get almost 6 terahashes, which is basically 3 times the amount that I have now. But, all right, that was 126, and we got 5.9. I'm trying to go back to the dashboard. If we were to do the same thing, put in 126, it's a little less. Well, it was a little less on purpose, but in a sense, I think I would have a miner in addition to. See, 127 gets you that there without getting a miner. But anyway, folks, I'm sorry for using up all this time and talking about other products. I will have links in the description for all of these things. And let me get this back on the screen that it belongs to. And here is the site again. I'm very happy and very much in love with Manus AI. You see my tab. I had my, I was refining my Copilot prompts. Okay, with everything I could think of. And I ended up with, wow, we got to 6. This is the prompt to create the Manus prompt. And this was the prompt that it created for, and this is the prompt that broke it. Look how long it is. And I do have a YouTube video of it making this website. It's very long, but like I said, I wasn't sure if I could use it because when I was searching for Mr. Money before I could remember his name, I did go to YouTube on this screen and it was recorded. I didn't play anything, but it's showing up, you know, everybody's stuff on the home page. I don't know if they'll can my channel or not for doing that. So I didn't do the video, and I'm sticking to my I don't edit because I don't want to. But folks, I appreciate your time to sit here and listen to me continue to just babble like a goober. But I thank you all. You got to see Manus at work building this website, and you see that the website did come out. It's beautiful. Now, I'm even going to ask it to have this. No, I will. No, I won't, because it will probably stop working and won't complete it. But so that's it, folks. Again, I'm finally going to be out. You guys all have yourselves a great evening, afternoon, morning, or wherever you are in the world. And I shall be chatting with you all making another video. Hopefully I won't talk as long, but I'm sure you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments, please, what you'd like to see this thing do, and I will get on top of that as soon as possible. Take care.